Hey guys, and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to do something I don't do. I have this rule about weed eaters and chainsaws. I don't like to work on them. I buy cheap chainsaws so that when they don't work I throw them away and go get another one. I despise working on them. I got fat fingers and they have little parts, and I hate it. But in this particular situation, I was given 2 free chainsaws. They've been tucked away in a building for nobody knows exactly how long, a whole bunch of years. So I'm going to put a little effort into them and see if they have any life left in them at all. But you know, paired with the fact that I hate working on them and they've been sitting for 112 years, I'm not gonna go too far, but I figure it's worth the effort to see if we can get any life out of them. If we can, I'll dig in a little deeper, but I'm gonna do this one a little different. I'm just gonna put some gas in it. Inside the tank looks pretty good. Like I said, I don't know if they have spark. I don't know when's the last time they were cranked. Okay. On. Prime 6 times. I'm going to go out on a limb and say we're not priming. Feels like it, but there's no fuel in the primer bulb. There we go. Okay. Full choke. Yeah, it feels like it has, I don't know, 0 compression. Maybe we didn't prime it enough. I don't know. Yeah, the primer bulb's got a hole. Yeah, it's something wonky. Feels like it has 0 compression. Alright, so let's get that one off the table and we'll get the other one up there. See what it looks like. Should be like a raccoon in here. Should we lift that? Nope. Nope, we shouldn't. Huh. See what this beast looks like. Oh, it still has fuel in it. Fantastic. Let's put a little in there. Give it something combustible to try to run on, maybe? I don't know. on is choked. Pretty sure that's not doing anything. No, let's see what happens. Easy now. Wow, that's super smooth too. Yeah, that's pretty much what I thought. Alright, so that one at least feels like it's supposed to feel. So I guess we will tear into that one, see what we got. Give me a minute and let me get set up and we'll get back to it. Alright, I dumped the gas out of it. Let's get this cover off, we'll see what we can see. There's 3 of these screws. They're a T25, but they're also slotted to use a regular standard screwdriver. Air filter's still permeable. Sorry guys. Of course. That doesn't feel right either. Oh my God. See? That's why I don't work on chainsaws. Give me a minute. She's out. That was fun. Awesome. Just what I always wanted to do. Trying to get this where you can see it too, but so it does have some spark, but it looks pretty weak to me. Let me get that plug cleaned up and throw it back in there with a little fuel and see if it wants to try to crank. Give me just a minute. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see it, but it's a much better spark now. So let's throw a little premix in. See what we get. Yeah, well, that's fine. Probably should have backed you out for that, huh? Sorry, guys. It's my first day. Well, unfortunately, she's trying to run. Well, you know what that means. Another little teeny tiny carburetor with teeny tiny lines that are dry rotted, and they're going to break as soon as I touch them. But let's get. Oh, my wife's here with tacos. I'll be back. All right, sorry about that, guys. The good news is now I'm full of tacos, so whatever happens here doesn't even matter. So let's get the carb off. See, already that fat finger thing I was talking about. And I don't even know if it's going to come out this way. We may have to take the sides off of it, but start small and see what we get. Yeah, so alright, let me get the sides off of it. Get that off and we'll see what we got. Alright, so I got the carburetor off. In the process of doing so, this is the line that comes out of the tank that runs to the primer. This is the line that runs from the primer back to the carb. Yeah. And of course, let me see if you can see that. Right, somewhere I had a screwdriver. Right there. Can you see that? Right there. That's where the line comes out of the tank. So I'm sitting here contemplating what I should do with this. I think I mentioned earlier, I don't work on chainsaws. I don't like them. This is what you get every time, and I know that, but I did it anyway, so it's my fault. So I think I've got something special planned for this, and unless I change my mind between now and the time this video comes out, you get to see what it is. But let me think about it for just a minute, and I'll figure out exactly what I want to do, and I'll bring you back. There you go. Special plans. Now, I'm going to let that cook. I'm going to go inside and enjoy the rest of my evening. As always, thanks for hanging out with me. I know you got absolutely nothing out of this one, except maybe what to do from now on when your chainsaw breaks down. But anyway guys, thanks. See you on the next one. Have a good night.